Alright boys, well, I got the kid behind the camera. We're headed up north right now to Massachusetts. Boys are going to get a Japanese bike right now. It's a 98 KX250. We're gonna do a full resto on this thing. Johnny's got the bike pulled up here.
There she blows.
She's pretty beat, but she's not gonna be beat for long because we're doing a frame off build on this thing. We're gonna film the whole process, so stay tuned. Alright kid.
Fresh KX. Just went up to Belchertown, Mass to pick her up. Everybody wanted a vintage dirt bike build, and this has been definitely a dream of ours for a while to just get to build one of these. So we figured what better time to do it than now. Winter, off the bike, so.
Bike's pretty solid. Good base for a build, honestly. It's got a lot of potential and things not bad. You know, we didn't want to buy a bike that was completely destroyed because it's hard to build those things the right way if they're already messed up when you get them. So we wanted one that runs. This one runs. She's gonna look a lot prettier than she does now though when we're done, that's for sure. We're gonna do a little ride around for you guys. This is probably the last time she'll be ridden until she's done, so might as well give her a crank or two. Huh, kid?
Dude, this thing's definitely got some girth.
Oh my god. One of the KX250 carnages.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to kick this thing.
Just bump it. Got the kid going up the hill. He's gonna give her a little bump start. Shout out Nikolai. There goes the hat. Oh, he likes to get sketchy on the snow.
Oh, she's fast. We got the delete brake lever here.
Yeah, let's give us a little walk around right here, I guess.
I like to run my grips like 1 inch from the end of the handlebars here. You know, broken clutch lever, of course.
You don't need that.
The one finger brake.
Yeah, we don't need brakes where we're going. It's optional. Let's get to the guts. We got a pro circuit pipe on this thing. That thing will dull right up mint. Our favorite piece, I think, what do you say, is our little stack on the end of the pipe.
The 90s pro circuit. You cannot buy these pipes. By the way, we paid $2,000 for this, if anybody's curious. $2,000, I mean.
$2,000.
Not bad. We wanted to get a bike that runs, like I said. Just because you buy a bike that doesn't work, you don't know what you're digging into. You know, at least we know this thing runs. Oh my god. It's down here. Dude, that thing's a ripper. Unit. You think I can hit this hill climb here?
We just got back from our trial run on the Cowie. It's honestly better than both of us expected it to be. It ran pretty good. The suspension felt pretty good. The brakes felt pretty good, but we're excited to, you know, tear it fully down, all the way down to the frame, pull the motor out of it, take the motor apart, put it back together, and do a whole resto on it.
Alright boys, before we end this video, we're going to go over the bike quick and tell you guys our plans with it.
So starting up front, these brakes, they don't have a lot of wear. So we think this thing's got about 20, 30 hours on the whole thing, just based off, you know, the brakes, the linkage in the back. It doesn't have a lot of slop in it. The suspension, the fork seals, there isn't any oil leaking on them. The bike is just, we think it's just sat for years and years and years and years. The radiators, there's no bends in them. There's nothing out of the ordinary there. Still got the nice stickers on the frame.
Wow, I didn't even see that.
All around the bike, there's not a lot of wear, and Aiden and I, our favorite part is definitely the pro circuit.
It's rare to come by a pipe on an old bike with no dings in it. This pipe has some rust on it, but we'll buff it right out. Well guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Johnny and I just had some fun ripping this thing up in the trails, seeing how much power she's got. It's gonna be the last time she'll be ridden before she's torn down, so stay tuned to watch us turn this crusty old bike into a beautiful piece of art.